Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Beautiful. Today's video is about hair and skincare using essential oils. Now I personally love using essential oils, but what exactly are essential oils? Now these are concentrated extracts from different parts of plants and they are obtained by steam or water distillation or cold pressing. You need to dilute them before using it, and these are meant only for topical application or aromatically light in a diffuser, and they are not meant to be ingested. And of course, if you're pregnant or nursing or have any other health condition, please consult your doctor before using any essential oil, and also do a patch test before using them. Now it's very important that you choose a good quality essential oil, and that's why today I'm going to talk about essential oils from REY Naturals. I've been using them for some time now and totally loving them. They came well packaged like this, and they are also provided with a dropper for precise dispensing of the product. My most favorite has to be the tea tree essential oil. This treats acne, eczema, skin irritation. It has antifungal properties, so it's a great acne buster. I have oily acne prone skin, so I like to use it in a face mask. For this you'll be needing around a tablespoon of honey. Honey has antibacterial properties and is also a humectant, so this face pack is not going to dry your skin out. It's also very rich in antioxidants. To this I'm going to add the tea tree essential oil. I'm adding around 2 to 3 drops of the tea tree oil, giving it a good stir, and I apply this on my face. I leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and wash it off. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. I also mix this with my face moisturizer. Here I'm using aloe vera gel. For around a quarter teaspoon of aloe vera gel, I just add 1 drop of tea tree oil and I massage it all over my face. This takes care of my acne. You can also mix this with your face wash, and it treats dandruff, so you can mix it with your regular shampoo. Geranium essential oil has great antibacterial properties, so it kills the bacterial buildup in your sweat. So this is a great deodorant to eliminate the body odor. For this you'll be needing a spray bottle, to which I'm adding around 50 ml of pure drinking water, to which I'll be adding half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I'm adding aloe vera gel because that helps the essential oil mix well with the water. I'm giving it all a good mix. Now I'm going to add 3 to 4 drops of the geranium essential oil, giving it a good mix, and it's ready to spray on your underarms to banish that body odor. I have used a plastic spray bottle here because this is only for a one-time use, but if you're planning to store the spray, then you need to use only a glass bottle. Now this is also a great moisturizer. It fades skin blemishes and acne scars, and that's why I like to mix it with coconut oil. I'm adding around 3 to 4 drops of geranium essential oil to it. Mix it up and use this as a moisturizer. It has the properties to tighten your skin. There you go, you have a great anti-wrinkle treatment. This can also be applied on the abdominal area during menstrual cramps, because this is referred to as a woman's oil. It is a mood lifter, so you can actually use both the spray and the moisturizer during that time of the month when you're having your PMS. I'm sure most of us do need that. Lavender essential oil has an immediate calming effect on you. It is a great skin detox. It improves blood circulation and it has antibacterial properties. That's why I like to use it as a skin toner, for which I'll be using pure rose water. I'm adding around 1 teaspoon of rose water. You can add how much ever you like, to which I'll be adding 3 to 4 drops of the lavender essential oil. Now I'm giving this a good mix, and I will just drench my cotton pad in this toner. And I like to wipe my face and neck with this. This has such a refreshing and calming effect on me, and it also improves my skin tone. I typically also like to mix it with my body lotion, especially when I'm going to hit the bed. I just take 1 pump of the body lotion and add 1 drop of lavender essential oil, and I spread it all over my body, hands and legs, and there you go. This really has a very calming effect on me. Hope you found this video really useful, and if you're interested in purchasing any of these essential oils, the links will be provided in the description box down below.